Good morning students. Today we are going to start with our chapter 2 relations and functions. See, in this chapter we have three exercises. First is based on the Cartesian product of two sets. Second is based on relations and third is on functions. So let's start with first exercise, which is based on Cartesian product of two sets. What do you mean by Cartesian product? Suppose A and B are two non-empty sets, then their Cartesian product is denoted by A cross B. And what is A cross B? It is the set which contains all those ordered pairs where the first element of this ordered pair belongs to A and the second element belongs to B. Means in this set ordered pair will come. For example, suppose A is having 3 elements and B set is having 2 elements. Then what is A cross B? A cross B is the set of ordered pairs. Ordered pairs in which first element will be of A. So how many ordered pairs will be there? See, with 1 I will start with the element of A, right? Then I will start with 1. So with 1 second element will be of B. So with 1 it is 1 2 or 1 4. Then 3 2 3 4. Then 5 2 5 4. Only these ordered pairs are possible now, because first element should be of A. So it will be 1 2 1 4 3 2 3 4 5 2 5 4. And ordered pairs are written in bracket. First element comma second element. First element of A and second element of B. Now how many ordered elements are there in A cross B? 3 elements are here, 2 elements are here. So 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. And you may see that there are 6 elements. Second is, this is A cross B. Suppose you have to find B cross A, then first element will belong to B. Firstly you have to take the element of B. So B cross A will be, you will start with the element of B. 2 1, 2 3, 2 5 or 4 1, 4 3, 4 5. So there will be 6 elements in B cross A. Now next is important thing, is A cross B equal to B cross A? No, because AB was 1 2 but BA is 2 1. Number of elements will of course be same, but the elements will not be same. Now next is, if two ordered pairs are equal, then their corresponding elements are equal. Suppose XY is equal to AB, then this implies first element will be equal to first, second will be equal to second. Next is, what do you mean by ordered triplet? Ordered pair, you know, XY, A cross A, but ordered triplet is A cross A cross A, and it contains the triplet XYZ. It is the set of triplets where XYZ they all belong to A, right? So this is the ordered triplet. So this first is Cartesian product and next is ordered triplet. Now let's start with the exercise 2.1. See, it's very easy exercise. First question is, if these two ordered pairs are equal, then find the value of X and Y. As I have already told you that if two ordered pairs are equal, first element will be equal to first and second element will be equal to second. From here you can find the value of X and Y. Next is, state whether the following statements are true or false. If false, rewrite it again. See, this is P, this is Q. They have given P cross Q contains 2 elements. But is it true or false? This is false, na? Because here are 2 elements, here are 2. So P cross Q should contain 2 cross 2, 4 elements. But they have given 2. So this is what? This is false. Now you have to rewrite it again if it is false. So how will you rewrite? P cross Q, you will start with, firstly you will take the elements of P, M, N, M, M, then N, N, and N, M. So these four elements will be there. So this is the correct statement. Next is, if A and B are non-empty sets, then A cross B is non-empty set of ordered pair x, y such that x belongs to A, y belongs to B. It is true now, whenever this was the definition of A cross B. It contains the ordered pair where the first element belongs to A, second element belongs to B. So this is true, right? Next is fifth question. If A is equal to -1, 1, then find A cross A cross A. Firstly, write it again. Firstly, you will find A cross A, right? So what is A cross A? Ordered pairs. -1, -1, then -1, 1, then 1, -1, 1, 1. So this is what? A cross A. Now what is A cross A cross A? This cross this. So you will take this with this, or you may find this cross this. So what is this? -1, -1, this cross this, this, -1, -1, -1, then is -1, -1, 1. Next is -1, 1, -1, -1, 1, 1. Now is the turn of this with this. So 1, -1, -1, then 1 with this, 1, -1, 1, then 1, 1, -1, and the last is 1 with this. So last is 1, 1, 1. Clear? So these are the ordered triplets. And how many elements? 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. Total there will be 8 elements. This with this, then this with this, right? So this is A cross A cross A. Now the last question is ninth question. If A and B are two sets such that NA is equal to 3 and NB is equal to 2, and if these three pairs are in A cross B, then find A and B. Earlier children, what was given earlier? A and B were given to you. You have to find A cross B. But now some elements of A cross B are given in this question, and one more information is given that the number of elements in A is 3 and B. On the basis of this information, you have to find A and B. So what is A? What is B? It is clear that A contains 3 elements, right? And B contains 2 elements. So some elements, some ordered pairs of A cross B are given to you. On the basis of this, we can find A and B. I have told you in A cross B, the first elements of ordered pairs, they belong to A. So X, Y, Z. And the second elements, they belong to B. 1, 2, 1 means 1, 2 are there, right? So this is A, this is B. And if it is asked, find 3 elements are given in A cross B, na? If further it is asked, then find more, there will be 6 elements, 3 are given to you, and it is also said that find remaining elements of A cross B. Find remaining elements of A cross B. Then remaining elements will be X1, Y2, Z1, they are already given. Next will be X1, X2, Y1, Y2 is given, Z1 is given, Z2. So these will be 6 elements. 3 are given to you and 3 you have find out, right? So this was all about exercise 2.1. Tomorrow we will start with the relations. Thank you.